Hello, my dear friends. Today we will explain how to use the extra credit equipment. This is with an antenna scoring device. All scoring devices work on the same principle. Firstly, let's look at the internal structure of the console. This is a common double-plate fruit machine. There is a mainboard on the side of the fruit machine case and a mainboard in the coin slot. Some fruit machines have a single motherboard. You just need to hit the coin slot or the panel. The motherboard on the side and the motherboard on the front, with the power supply on the back. There is also a horn inside and some fruit machines which have an alarm device will power down as soon as the points are added. The following one is a coin return port. We have already covered the internal structure of the fruit machine, so now we describe how to add points. This is a 2-speed anti-alarm scoring device is straight and R&D gear with adjustable power. First, stretch the device coin antenna and insert it into the coin port for extra points, so please follow the video. The antenna is straightened and then inserted into the coin port in order to add points for test points. Insert into the coin slot and move 1 cm at a time to test for extra point coordinates. When inserted in and the correct coordinates are found, extra points are awarded. Be sure to find the correct coordinates for extra credit for. When you can't add points, make the antenna longer to test it and find the correct position to add points. If it is inserted into the hole below, make sure the antenna is towards the top for extra points. Now I take my friends to find T. He coin return coordinates, some of which are on the panel and some on the side chassis. The machine's coin return coordinates and extra point coordinates require us to find out for ourselves. When we find the correct coordinates, we can return the coins that Best wishes to my dear friends to make a great deal of money. This video produced by Jijong Kihan Locksmith Tools Factory. Thanks for watching.